Ngenyanga edlule ethula inkulumo ebhekise esizweni, umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa wamemezela ukuthi izikole zizohlaba ikhefu lesikhathi esingangenyanga njengoba siqhubeka nokwenyuka isibalo sabantu abahaqwe igciwane iCorona. Umengameli wathi kodwa abafundi abenza uGrade 7 kanye noGrade 12 bona bazoba nekhefu elifishane kunabafundi babanye ababanga. Namhlanje abafundi abenza uGrade 12 babuyele emaklasini njengoba kulindeleke ukuthi uqhubeke ukufunda nokufundisa.
We went through a lengthy process of consultation and it was agreed that indeed it was important that Grade 12 learners be allowed to return a week after the break so that they're able to continue with their work, because we know that they are waiting to write their final exam so they can leave school.
Ezinye izikole ezifana neParo High eKapa beqhubeka ukufunda nokufundisa ngohlobo le-internet ngesikhathi kusavalwa isikole ukuqinisekisa ukuthi abafundi abasali ngemuva esifundweni. Uthishanhloko walesikole uthi unethemba lokuthi banesikhathi esenele ukulungiselela izivivinyo zasekupheleni konyaka.
I think there's definitely enough time if we can put all our efforts into this whole program now. With us at this school, we've done a lot to get onto the social media so that we can use other platforms as well to help the learners.
Abafundi kanye nabazali banemizwa ehlukene malunga nokubuyela esikoleni namhlanje.
We're glad that it is our opportunity to continue studying and going further. We thought that this coronavirus was going to be a challenge to us, but it did not become a challenge because they made arrangements for the grade 12s to go back to school.
Our children have lost a lot. They've lost a lot due to the renovation and now due to Corona, and now it's transport. We can't tolerate this.
Inhlangano yabafundi COSAS ithi izophuma umkhankaso wokugqugquzela abafundi ukuthi babuyele emaklasini.
As COSAS, we are going to show up ourselves as the leaders of those learners. We are going to make sure that by tomorrow all the learners must be at school.
Izivivinyo zika Grade 12 ezandulele zasekupheleni konyaka kulindele ukuthi ziqale kule nyanga ngosuku elisazomenyezelwa umnyango wezemfundo ezisekelo. Ezindabeni ze-SABC ngingumbuso Mkhize eGoli.